Virtual tour of Masjid al Nabawi in 3D model introduction. Welcome to this virtual tour of Masjid al Nabawi. One of the most sacred sites in Islam, located in Medina, Saudi Arabia. Today, we'll explore the mosque's significant architectural and historical elements, providing insights into their functions and the profound history behind them. Main gate, Bab al-Salam. Our journey begins at Bab al-Salam, the main gate of Masjid al Nabawi. This gate, which translates to Gate of Peace, has historically been the entrance for pilgrims seeking peace and blessings. Over the centuries, millions of worshippers have entered through this gate, beginning their spiritual journey. The Green Dome. As we move further, the Green Dome becomes visible. This iconic feature marks the resting place of Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Originally constructed by the Mamluk Sultan Qaitbay in the 15th century, the dome was later painted green by Ottoman Sultan Abdul Hamid II in the 19th century. The Green Dome is a central symbol of Masjid al Nabawi and holds deep spiritual significance for Muslims around the world. Minarets. The towering minarets of Masjid al Nabawi serve as both a visual guide and a functional structure for the call to prayer, Adhan. These minarets have evolved through various renovations, reflecting both Ottoman and modern architectural styles. Their height and elegance are a testament to the mosque's expansion and its importance to the Muslim community. Prayer hall inside the main prayer hall. You'll find a serene space capable of holding thousands of worshippers. The hall is adorned with intricate Islamic art, featuring geometric patterns and calligraphy that symbolize Islamic values and unity. Over time, the hall has been expanded to accommodate the growing number of pilgrims, with significant contributions from the Ottoman sultans and Saudi rulers. Rawdah. The Rawdah is one of the most sacred areas within Masjid al Nabawi, located between the Prophet's tomb and his pulpit, Minbar. Known as a garden of paradise, this area is highly sought after by pilgrims for prayer. The green carpet distinguishes the Rawdah, and it is believed that prayers offered here are especially blessed. Mihrab. The Mihrab is a niche in the wall indicating the direction of the Kaaba in Mecca, which Muslims face during prayer. The Mihrab in Masjid al Nabawi is elaborately designed, reflecting centuries of Islamic art and architecture. This Mihrab is also historically significant, as it marks the spot where the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, led prayers. Courtyard. The courtyard of Masjid al Nabawi is an expansive space that serves as an extension of the prayer area. Shaded by large retractable umbrellas, it provides comfort to worshippers during the day. This area has seen significant expansions, especially in the 20th and 21st centuries, to accommodate the millions of pilgrims who visit annually. Minbar. The Minbar is where the Friday sermon, khutbah, is delivered. The current Minbar is a finely crafted wooden structure, continuing the tradition where the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, himself delivered sermons. It symbolizes the importance of knowledge and spiritual guidance in Islam. This concludes our extended virtual tour of Masjid al Nabawi. Each element of this mosque is steeped in history, religious significance, and architectural beauty, reflecting the profound spiritual heritage of Islam. If you found this tour informative and enlightening, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with more virtual tours and in-depth content on significant religious and historical sites. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and may peace be upon you.